Hey guys, what's up? This is Luke. Yes, I've been missing for quite some time again. I said I was back, and I was actually back at developing MINDLOAD, which is my main project right now. I talked about it in the last video, but since final week of January, I've been working on it, and it's an app which I had the idea when I was having some issues with multiple documents and a ton of contacts that was being. Whenever I started an AI interaction, I needed to feed it with all of these contacts. So I had used some apps like Notebook LM by Google, which is an amazing software. I've been using Obsidian plugins. I love Obsidian. It's a fantastic local approach for organizing notes and documents. It's fantastic. But I missed a solution where you could like upload multiple formats of documents and create a context and use it with different kinds of LLMs like Gemini, Claude, or ChatGPT, whatever. So I had this idea back in July last year, and I've been working on it for quite some time. I built different beta versions, I guess. But this one is actually a production ready version, which I'm gonna show in this video. Hope you're getting excited about it because it's a project that I put all my soul in it, and I learned a lot to develop this, and I hope this piece of software helps people to solve this issue the way it is solving for me right now. And I hope to document this experience more with you guys because it's been challenging for me for these past few months because I've been going through a lot in the work area, and I think there's something nice to share because sometimes we see people in YouTube and social media, whatever, and we look at them and we think, oh, their lives are perfect. Everything just flows in their lives. Everything just happens naturally and everything, you know. But it's not like this. Life is not like this. Life is full of dead end streets, and at some points you have to start all over again. And the thing is, you cannot miss the opportunity. You cannot lose hope because if you keep it going, someday you will understand. You will look back and you'll see like, oh, that's why that happened, and somehow you get it, and everything just starts to flow, and eventually it will break down again. It's completely normal. That's life. But yeah, and that's enough BS. Let's showcase the app. So here is MINDLOAD. This is the main interface where you can chat. It's like a basic chat AI interface. And here I am already in a paid plan, so I have access to GPT-5 Mini and Claude Sonnet alongside with Gemini 2.5 Flash Wit, which is the standard for free plans. Yes, we have free plans, guys. So, what is the difference between MindLoad and just normal ChatGPT? Well, actually, MindLoad stores every single piece of your documents locally, which means that you have full control of your own data. Okay, so oh yes, I think some of you guys may say, "Wow, you're sending information to API to ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude Sonnet." Yes, I am sending it through API, which is going to the cloud, but it is ZDR, zero data retention, which means your data is not used to train the models. So it basically just we use the amazing power of the cloud models, which are the Gemini, ChatGPT, the biggest LLMs. We use their power without you feeding your data to train them. That's something you should think about it. But okay, so that's the main thing about MindLoad. So everything is stored locally in a vector database, and it is absolutely fast. And there is something important that I need to address you guys. MindLoad right now is only available for Mac users, M1 and after, because this is a tech stack that needed to be built for the first version. But soon I will be launching for different kinds of Macs and in the future Windows and whatever. But that was just a choice that I had to make. But anyway, so here we can process multiple document formats, and in the future I'm gonna create a feature that you can even copy like YouTube links and maybe audio inputs and whatever, because I think it is very important. Like if you see a video that you like, you see a strategy that's important for your business, you throw it in MindLoad and start creating connections with all of your documents. You get it? But here we have a mock account, which is an AI agency, and different kinds of playbooks, proposals, client descriptions, and whatever. We have all of these documents, and here I started to chat with these documents, creating connections, creating insights. But there is a space where you have all of these connections, insights created automatically. It's like you don't need to do anything. The AI agents analyze everything that you've been going through with your conversations, with your uploads. It checks everything, creates connections, synthesizes important things that you need to keep up, and create deadlines. Like maybe you uploaded a document which says that you have a future meeting in 5 days, whatever they like, next Monday. Then it appears here. You get it? That's just so many rich stuff here that can help you guys find clarity in chaos. That is the main. Wait a second. It is the main purpose that I developed MindLoad, is to find clarity amongst chaos, because life can get messy sometimes. You have tons of things happening, all of like everything happening all in the same time. And when you can find clarity, when you're in that moment of despair or everything is going on, it is so powerful, so powerful. You become like centered. You understand what you need to do next. You don't get lost. That's the main thing about MINDLOAD. So, MINDLOAD is available to download. As I said, Mac, M1 and after only as of this time. But if you want to try MINDLOAD, if you want to be one of the first beta users, you can access mindload.ai and request the access. And I will personally accept your request. Right now, I'm focusing on only 10 beta users, so hurry up. I hope you guys found this valuable. I need some feedback, so I'll be happy to have some feedbacks from you guys. And that's it. I'm very proud. I'm very excited about this. It's been something that has been in my mind for quite some time, and I'm happy that I just put it in the world. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel and keep it up, because I'm gonna keep updating and showcasing everything, new features and updates. Thank you guys.